Raza bits are the unsung heroes of woodworking, offering precision, versatility, and efficiency for a wide range of projects. Whether you're creating intricate designs or ensuring seamless joints, choosing the right Raza bits can make a huge difference in the quality of your work. In today's video, we'll explore 7 top-notch Raza bits that deliver exceptional performance and precision. Let's get started. Number 1. BOSCH 15-piece Carbide-Tipped Wood Router Bit. The BOSCH 15-piece Carbide-Tipped Wood Router Bit set is a comprehensive collection designed for woodworkers who demand precision and durability. Each bit in this set is crafted from premium carbide material, offering outstanding sharpness and wear resistance. This ensures they maintain their cutting edge even during heavy-duty use, making them ideal for a wide range of woodworking tasks. The set includes an assortment of bits for various cuts, such as straight, flush trim, and edge forming. The precision ground tips enhance accuracy, allowing for clean and smooth cuts on both hardwood and softwood surfaces. The bits are designed with an anti-kickback feature, ensuring safer operation by reducing the likelihood of overfeeding. Each bit is housed in a sturdy wooden storage case, providing excellent organization and protection. This not only makes it easy to access the tools, but also ensures they remain in optimal condition for years. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this BOSCH set is a reliable choice for achieving precision cuts and adding a polished finish to your projects.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. KOWOOD Router Bit Set of 15 pieces, Woodwork Tools. The KOWOOD Router Bit Set offers incredible value for woodworkers who need a versatile and durable collection. With 15 pieces included, this set covers a wide range of applications, making it suitable for beginners and seasoned craftsmen alike. These bits are made from industrial-grade carbide, ensuring sharp and long-lasting performance. The high-quality materials allow them to handle a variety of wood types, from soft pine to dense oak. Each bit features a heat-resistant coating, which reduces wear and prolongs the life of the tools, even with frequent use. The set includes bits for edge trimming, grooving, and decorative purposes, offering flexibility for creative woodworking projects. Each bit is designed with a 1/4-inch shank, ensuring compatibility with most standard routers. The precise construction of the bits minimizes vibration during operation, enhancing accuracy and providing a smoother cutting experience. Stored in a durable case, the KOWOOD set is portable and well organized, ensuring easy access and protection for the bits. This combination of durability, precision, and variety makes the KOWOOD Router Bits set a dependable choice for woodworking projects of all sizes. Number 3. YONICO 1/8-inch Round Over Edge Forming Router Bit. The YONICO 1/8-inch Round Over Edge Forming Router Bit is a specialized tool designed for creating smooth and rounded edges on wooden surfaces. This single router bit is a must-have for projects that require detailed finishing, offering precision and versatility for both decorative and functional work. Constructed with premium carbide, this bit delivers sharp and consistent performance. Its durable build ensures a long lifespan, even when used on tough hardwoods. The rounded design of the cutting edge allows for a seamless transition, leaving a professional finish without requiring extensive sanding. The 1/4-inch shank ensures compatibility with most routers, making it easy to incorporate into your existing toolkit. The precision-engineered design reduces vibration and promotes smoother cuts, providing greater control and accuracy during use. Whether you're crafting furniture, cabinetry, or decorative pieces, this bit enhances the final presentation with its flawless edge-forming capability. For woodworkers who value detailed and polished finishes, the YONICO Round Over Edge Forming Router Bit is an excellent investment. Its high-quality construction and reliable performance make it a stand-up tool for adding funness to your woodworking projects. Number 4. BINSTAK CNC Spellboard Surfacing Router Bits. The BINSTAK CNC Spellboard Surfacing Router Bit is a powerhouse tool for those looking to achieve flat and even surfaces with precision. Designed for CNC routers, this bit is specifically crafted to handle spellboard leveling, slab flattening, and resurfacing tasks with ease. Featuring an industrial-grade carbide tip, this bit ensures sharpness and durability, even under heavy use. Its large cutting diameter provides a broader surface coverage, reducing the time and effort required for surfacing tasks. The three-wing design promotes efficient material removal, resulting in a smooth and uniform finish. The bit's anti-kickback design enhances safety during operation, making it suitable for both professionals and hobbyists. Its compatibility with a variety of CNC machines and rotors adds to its versatility, while the high-quality construction guarantees long-lasting performance. For those working on tabletops, workbenches, or custom slabs, the BINSTAK surfacing Raza bit is an invaluable tool. Its ability to deliver precision and efficiency makes it a top choice for achieving perfectly leveled surfaces. Number 5. FivePears Tongue and Groove Raza Bits, 2 pieces. The FivePears Tongue and Groove Raza Bit set is a specialized pair designed for creating interlocking joints with precision and ease. These bits are essential for woodworking projects that require sturdy and seamless joints, such as flooring, paneling, or cabinet assembly. Made from high-grade carbide, these bits offer exceptional durability and sharpness. The heat-resistant coating reduces friction and wear, ensuring consistent performance over extended periods. Each bit is engineered for precision, providing clean and accurate cuts that fit together perfectly. The 1/4-inch shank makes these bits compatible with most standard routers, while the anti-kickback design enhances safety during use. Their versatility allows them to work on both hardwoods and softwoods, making them suitable for a wide range of applications. Stored in a compact case, these bits are well protected and easy to organize. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, the FivePears Tongue and Groove Raza bits offer reliability and precision for creating flawless joints in your woodworking projects. Number 6. DKIBBITH 20-piece SS Raza Carbide Engraving Bits and Raza Bit. The DKIBBITH 20-piece SS Raza Carbide Engraving Bit set is a versatile collection designed for intricate woodworking tasks. With 20 pieces included, the set covers a wide range of engraving and detailing needs, making it an excellent choice for creative and precise work. Each bit is crafted from high-speed steel HSS with carbide tips, ensuring durability and sharpness. The bits are designed to handle delicate and detailed cuts, making them ideal for carving, engraving, and decorative work on wooden surfaces. Their precision-ground edges enhance accuracy, allowing for intricate designs and clean finishes. The set features a variety of shapes and sizes, providing flexibility for different projects. The 1/8-inch shank ensures compatibility with most routers, while the compact design of the bits allows for easy maneuvering in tight spaces. Whether you're working on furniture detailing, signage, or custom designs, these bits deliver exceptional performance. For woodworkers who value creativity and precision, the DKIBBITH engraving bit set is a reliable and versatile choice. Its high-quality construction and wide variety of options make it an indispensable addition to any workshop. Number 7. Shengbenhao Wood Carving Bits Engraving Raza Bit, 20-piece. The Shengbenhao Wood Carving Bit set is a comprehensive solution for woodworkers who specialize in detailed and intricate carving projects. This 20-piece set is designed to provide versatility and precision, catering to a wide range of decorative and functional needs. Each bit is constructed with durable carbide material, ensuring long-lasting sharpness and consistent performance. The variety of shapes and sizes included in the set allows for flexibility, enabling users to create complex designs and fine details with ease. The 1/8-inch shank ensures compatibility with most routers and rotary tools, while the compact design of the bits makes them ideal for tight or intricate spaces. Their precision-ground cutting edges enhance control and accuracy, delivering smooth and clean results on wooden surfaces. For woodworkers who focus on creative and artistic projects, the Shengbenhao Wood Carving Bit set offers unmatched versatility and reliability. Its high-quality construction and wide range of options make it an essential tool for achieving professional-grade finishes. With these 7 Raza bits, you're equipped to tackle woodworking projects with precision and efficiency. From detailed carvings to seamless joints, these tools deliver exceptional results and elevate the quality of your craftsmanship. Choose the right bit for your needs and watch your woodworking projects come to life with ease and accuracy.